everyone, today I'll be making a recipe from the Campbell Cookbook Cooking with Soup. It's a vintage recipe and I'll be making horseradish Souperburger. What all do you need for the horseradish Souperburger? 1 pound ground beef, 1 can 10.5 ounce cream of mushroom soup, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon prepared horseradish, 1/4 cup chopped green pepper or pimento. I'm going to be using the green pepper, and 8 buns split and toasted. So let's begin. Alright, so take a frying pan and dump your ground beef in it. Break up the ground beef and cook until it is brown. So the hamburger is brown. Next we'll add the can of cream of mushroom soup, the 1/2 cup of sour cream, the 1 teaspoon of horseradish, the 1/4 cup of green peppers or pimentos. Reduce your heat and simmer for 10 minutes. So take your toasted bun and take your horseradish Souperburger and put it over the bun, like so. So here we have the horseradish Souperburger, and rounding out the meal is corn on the cob cooked in the air fryer. And Dave bought me these cute little corn holders. So let's see what Dave thinks.
What are we doing here?
You're trying the horseradish Souperburger.
Is it corn from the air fryer?
It is.
Haven't ever had corn on the cob in an air fryer. Try it. That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.